Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to use direct tools. I will go to part design, click start to diskette and choose top plan. As example, we can draw rectangle and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to use direct tools, you can click at this icon direct. And there are 5 options to use this direct tool. First, you can move with face. So I will select at this face, and then we can move like this. You can right click to apply. You also can move the solid body. You can change face into solid. Select the objects, and then you can move like into this axis. Right click again, and you can apply. The second, you can resize this object. You can click here, size, and select the face. Now you can size by in a vertical like this. It will be automatically resize by, or you can resize to the bottom like this. Right click again and apply. And the third, we can scale this object. Can set the scale forms in it, like I will set into 2, and the object will be automatically more bigger. And the third, we can rotate. So you can select like by face or solid. This is for solid, and you can rotate by clicking at this point. You can rotate in 3 axis, or the other option, you only use the face tools to rotate only at face. This will rotate in this axis, and then you can right click to apply. Now the last, for delete, like you can select at this face, and then we can use the highlight tools so to be automatically connect from the top to the bottom. Right click again to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial how to use direct tools. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.